Bell Medical is excited to announce that we have a rolling stand with remote display for our Insight airway management system. So I can connect a HDMI cable to my monitor and have an additional display to be able to view the intubation. I also have Wi-Fi capability, so I can wirelessly project the image onto any television or monitor in the operating room. So I have multiple choices. I have a basket that can hold the laryngoscope blades. Also it can hold the video laryngoscope. And then I have the ability of holding up to 2 flexible video scopes. And those have the capability of showing that remotely or via this HDMI cable. So the rolling stand is a new offering from Bell Medical for the Airway Insight Management System. Thank you.